like Chris.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. It's Saturday right now and we're filming this and we're gonna go Christmas. My camera's dying. Are you kidding? We're going Christmas shopping, but my camera's dying. Hi, welcome. I'm Mariah. If you're new here, please subscribe. This might turn into an iPhone vlog, but we're heading into downtown. We're gonna go shop local. Okay, as I was saying, now an iPhone vlog. We're gonna go shop downtown because we're shopping local as much as possible this year. You should too. Shop small businesses, they really need it right now. So we're gonna go see what we can find. We're also gonna grab some lunch and it's just gonna be a fun little day.
Tacos!
Yeah, we're gonna get Mario. We're so excited. We haven't been in a bit. It's like 40 something. Oh wow, it's almost 50 degrees out, so that's not too bad. Goodness, it's not freezing.
True.
Let's go shopping.
Let's do it.
We went to Stonewall Kitchen and got one thing. We brought it back to the car because it was heavy.
It was heavy.
Now we're heading to get some food because shopping on a hungry stomach is never a good idea. Made it. Oh wait, we gotta look for the church. So we made it to Barrio and we saw on their Instagram the other day that these walls like tell a love story and they like go and get married. The Portsmouth church is somewhere and we've never noticed before. So we're looking.
Wait, proposes.
That's him proposing right there. Back to shopping. Wait, there's rose petals everywhere. Is that like a store?
Yeah, it looks like
Wait,
it.
let's go. Petals leading up to the store. That's so cute. Hi guys, sorry this vlog kind of just stopped. I actually ended up getting sick on Saturday. I don't have COVID, I'm good. We got tested, I'm feeling much better now. But I ended up just going home because I really wasn't feeling well and then I just stopped vlogging. So I wanted to come on here and say sorry that this vlog is a little bit shorter. I really had plans for it to be a fun vlog and a fun day, but I got sick, so it didn't happen. I'm sure there will be plenty more shopping because we still have to do Christmas shopping. If you subscribe down below, there will be plenty more Christmas content coming your way every day till Christmas. Now's the time to subscribe. If you don't know how to, you just have to make a YouTube account and then you can subscribe. So if you don't have a YouTube account, you can just sign up with your Google account. This is an ad now. Oh my gosh, you can hear it in my voice that I'm sick. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say, hey, sorry this abruptly stopped. But I hope you guys will stick around for all of Vlogmas. There's much more to come and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!